In my last video, I give you the formula to create all possible unique combination. In this video, I'm going to share Power Query solution with you. First step, we need to select all of the data set, go to data, click from table/range. This will open Power Query editor. The next thing, we need to delete change type step. And now I will simply click on custom column and I will simply write here source because I want to duplicate my source table and simply hit OK. The next step, we need to expand this table. I will uncheck use original column name as a prefix and simply hit OK. The next step, we need to filter out all of the row which has same combination. I will simply go to applied steps. Right click on expand column and click on insert step after. Now I will modify this formula a little bit. I will type table select row. We don't need to type dot table select. And now you can see table dot select rows. I will simply click on this one. Open parenthesis. Now it's automatically type closing parenthesis as well. We need to remove the closing parenthesis for now. Table dot select rows need table as a table. So this is our entire table we want to filter out. Hit comma. What is the condition? We will simply write each and now we will define the name of the column. Now table.select rows function acts as a filter function. We define a table and it's loop through each row by row in our table and it will filter out all of the row whenever we have team is not equal to team 1. Mean the first column is not equal to second column. I will simply click on this checkbox and it will filter out all of the row which has same combination. The next step, we need to remove those duplicate. For example, Argentina, Australia, and here you can see Australia, Argentina. And same for all of the country. So for this, I will simply click on custom column again. Now I will write a very easy if condition. If first column mean the team greater than team.1, then I will write bracket first and the name of first column team1 equal. Define which column you want to bring. I will click on team, hit comma. The name of second column will be, let's say, team2. Click on equal and simply double click on team.1. Bracket close. Else, and now we will define the same logic. Open bracket, team1 equal to, in this case I will select team.1 first, hit comma, team2 equal to, in this case I will select team only, close bracket. Now if I click OK, we will get a record and each record has two values. In this case you can see Argentina, Australia are the first, but now you can see Australia, Argentina. If I click on row 5, you can see Australia, Argentina as well. The next step, we need to click on this column, right click, remove other column. And now I will expand this column. Simply hit OK. Now you can see our column has proper name. The only step we need to apply remove duplicate step. So make sure you select both column, right click and simply click on remove duplicates. The last step, we need to go file, click on close and load to. This window will be appear, click on table. Click on existing worksheet, click here and simply hit OK. This is how we can create all possible unique combination. Now if I add another country, let's say Pakistan, hit enter, you can see it's automatically expand. But for this, we need to right click and refresh this one. This is how we can create all possible unique combination using Power Query. I hope you learned something useful. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. And if you have time, please share this video as well. Thank you so much.